What's going on, guys? So I'm someone that believes that if everyone knew I existed, the world would be a better place. With that being said, TikTok is making my dreams come true because I'm getting that publicity that makes me feel complete. And it's really that simple, guys. I have a video with 1.6 million, 1.7 million views on TikTok right now, and it's accumulating views every single day. You know, it could be at like 5 million in freaking 2 months. And the reason I'm saying this is because TikTok is really making things possible for me. And I was struggling a lot, you know. And I'm at the point now where I have companies reaching out to me trying to get other people that I know to make videos as well. So it's pretty interesting, it's pretty exciting. But that is a big reason why I'm doing this Discord, because you know, we're building a community of successful entrepreneurs, and we're really just going to be running this TikTok bag all the way up to the moon. You guys saw my video yesterday. If not, check it out. Basically, TikTok is not getting banned anytime soon. So it's literally never getting banned. Like, TikTok is going to go down when Google goes down, right? So with that being said, we can run this thing for the rest of our lives. TikTok is going to be locked in, guys. And we know we're really just trying to grow the Discord. We're trying to build a community, help people to make their dreams come true as well. You know, the same way I want my dreams to come true, I want the same thing for other people. And it's really hard to find good people. It's hard to find genuine people. Trust me, I know. But I'm one of those genuine people. And it's great because I don't have to rely on anyone. You know, like, my success does not rely on anybody at all. As long as I have a cell phone, I'm successful. And just having that freedom and, you know, not being chained down to like relying on anyone else is really the best feeling in the world. 100%. You know, people will definitely try and make your life worse when you need them for anything. So just being self-reliant, and you know, it's a good feeling, guys. It's a good feeling. I feel free. You know, I've been partying hard the last 3 days in a row, guys. And here we are today. I got no girls. It's all right, though. We focus on the bag. And, you know, just keep moving forward, guys. I really just wanted to share with y'all that TikTok is making my dreams come true. And I want to share that, you know, shit, I'm blanking. I'm not just chatting. I actually wanted to share what I wanted to say, but it's okay. It's all right. This video is probably meant to be about like a 3.5 minute video, so I'm just chopping it up until then. You know, but hey, the YouTube is growing, so I appreciate the new subscribers. We're just gonna keep on evolving, guys. Like, I'm gonna be here for as long as TikTok is gonna be here. And TikTok is, like I said, going to be here for a very long time. So will most likely die, and TikTok will still be going viral, you know, if something better doesn't come. But if something better comes along, then, you know, I'll be there to replace it too, because I'm someone that stays on top of the wave. That's why I'm in this position in the first place, you know, because I like to do whatever the best thing out there is to do is what I enjoy doing. So right now it's TikTok. There's literally nothing that's better for entrepreneurs, self-motivated people. TikTok is your #1 route to go. With that being said, fam, it was good to chop it up with you guys for a little bit. I got some good sunlight today. Take that in, you know, Monty the Sun Worshipper, that's my name right now. So I'm gonna be changing this soon, but yeah, y'all, we're just free and vibing and having a good time. So with that being said, fam, peace out. I'll catch y'all in the next video. And yeah, stay up, y'all. Peace.